Hello, my name is Allison Maurer. A brief summary of my experiences in the field I feel are primarily personal, but I do have some professional. First, starting off is about 3 years ago, I did a career change from being in the retail field for about 11 years and switched over into the mental health field and behavioral health field. I worked as a direct care worker and then as a program coordinator and a adult day facility for individuals over the age of 21 who have aged out of like their high school or schooling program, who may or may not have been on the waiver system. And with that experience, I worked with the individuals directly. I worked with different agencies. I networked. I found resources for activities. We did job coaching, vocational based skills, worked on social activities. It was really a great experience. Recently, I went and shifted over into the younger uh, type of clientele. I work with kiddos under the age of 5 as an ABA therapist. So we work with behavior modifications on individuals. The couple clients that I have do have diagnoses of ASD, and they're awesome. I do really enjoy the field. I don't know how long I would be able to be a direct worker, but I really do enjoy the aspect of how things are and learning more and within the field. Um, Other personal experiences that I have, one of the most impactful things that had me do a career shift was after experiencing and being a caretaker for my son's father for a period of roughly 6 months as he gotten a bone marrow transplant. And the experience of being the caregiver and living within the hospital off and on and balancing my life and my home, it's different when you live it and be able to bring a different aspect to the actual table. Um, and then my son has blessed me with the opportunities of being in the mental health field for the past 6 years, since he's been about 6 months old. He was diagnosed with a genetic disorder and also ASD. He had some medical complications that have had numerous hospitalizations. He's got a laundry list of different diagnoses, and also he's got different specialists. With that being said, I have had to utilize individuals such as blended case managers, social workers, uh, case managers through the insurance company, and really utilize the resources and find out what they can do to even function and be able to give him the best opportunities he has. Where I feel that I have goals going forward within the clinical social work world and the opportunities I want to really go into are being able to utilize the experiences that I've had personally and bring it to the table. Allow the clients and individuals that we deal with to have an empathetic person who's able to understand literally, not figuratively, or have some type of connection with them of where they're coming from and how they are and where they're going. Some foreseen challenges, one would be the schedule with my son and the flexibility I'm going to need within the field, which at times I know is difficult. Thankfully, I do have a village that has helped raise him over the past 5 years since passing his father, but there's this challenge there that I am the primary caregiver. Another one would be um, the difficulties that I've had after having some of the hospitalization stays or any times there and some of the repercussions from that. So I'm kind of curious to see how being in the field and interacting, if there's any unforeseen items that I have that will emerge throughout the experiences and interacting with individuals and making sure that I can stay level headed when needed. I'm looking forward to this course, and I hope everyone has a great day.